Going over Robinhood stock here on April 1st, 2025. We've got Needham, Citizens here, $77 price target, $62 price target, and just before that we had two $61 price targets here, all four being a buy recommendations from March 2025. If we go ahead and take a look at Webull here, this is on the 2-hourly chart just to kind of reference anytime we were below $40. It has been a pretty good buy in my opinion. I think the buying opportunity below 40 looks really good. We've seen support here at 34, but ranges between 40 and 34 has looking to be a buy here, especially after this break above all the way to 66.20. Now a pullback back down again, $34 here being a support level, and then again $34 to $40 looks like a really good buy entry. We recently here in the overnight market or pre-market here, we hit a low of 38.81 and then got bought all the way back up above 40. And today here, if we zoom into the 30-minute chart, we bounced off of $40.61. Again, that's above our $40 support here, specifically $40.45, right? And so I think the buying pressure for Robinhood stock looks really good. I think this stock is going to have a lot of upside potential during this year of 2025, and really excited to see if April we start to see a rally in the overall market. And if so, if risk is back on into the market, I would keep an eye out for Robinhood to head towards $46. This is one of the price targets I had before, and we did complete $46. We got to that high there of $49.88 before having this pullback again, as April 2nd here is going to be the tariff day there. If we look at the current price here and measure the potential upside and downside moves, again, anything below 40, just my personal opinion, I think is a buying opportunity. And between 40 and 46 here, I don't mind adding a small position, but preferably I would prefer to enter in a bigger position below 40. And I don't know how many more times we will get that opportunity for Robinhood stock, okay? But with that being said, with the current price down to the closest support level is right around a 4% drop towards $40 there. If we do get this pullback down to our recent low here of 38 approximately, it's right around a 9% drop. And the least likely scenario in my opinion is a drop all the way back down to 34. However, this would provide a really good dip opportunity in my opinion. This isn't likely, but it's a possibility. It's going to be a 19% drop if the overall market does tend to pull back there, okay? If we are looking for upside move, I would keep an eye out for $46.70 to be tested. This one I'm leaning more towards for April, and I do think this is going to occur here during April 2025. That is going to be a 10% move towards the top side. And if you are looking for the next major resistance after $46.70, I am looking for $54.40, and that is right around a 28% move towards the top side. If you are looking at these price targets here, by the way, take this with a grain of salt, but if you want to measure the move from our current price to, for example, the all-time high, or not all-time high, the recent all-time high here, 66.91, we could measure it, and it's right around $58, okay? And then you can see there we have our latest one, $77. Again, taking this with a grain of salt, if you measure this all the way to 77, it's right around an 82% move towards the top side, so the valuation there quite big towards the upside. But overall, during this year for 2025 for Robinhood stock, I think there's a lot more upside than downside. The risk here, as you can see, this is just my personal opinion, is a 19% risk, and then the upside, of course, all up to $67 there, right around a 56% approximate upside move for this year. And I do think we get a rally for Robinhood stock as well as the overall market here during April. So Robinhood stock is just something I'm keeping an eye out for, and let us know down below in the comments what your thoughts are and what you think the outlook is for Robinhood stock during April, May, June, or the remaining of 2025. Do you think this is a buying opportunity? Because personally, I think it is, especially if it goes down below 40. And eventually with time, I don't think we will see these dip opportunities anymore. I think Robinhood stock is going to be valued a lot higher than what it is today. So if you don't have a community yet, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join, and we have over 32,000 people there. If you are looking for live entries and exits, I also highly recommend checking out our Patreon link down below in the description. We have over, I believe, 20 analysts, approximately 12 of them being active at the moment, if you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options. And again, we're just sharing our personal opinions and trade ideas, not forcing anyone what to do. Good place to ask questions and learn from each other if you are interested in chatting about stocks and also trading. So check out the Patreon. It's optional. If we have any available spots, feel free to secure them. And if not, you can just join our Discord for free and talk about Robinhood stock. We do have a dedicated Robinhood chat channel as well. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful in terms of me sharing my personal opinion, feel free to like the video and subscribe if you want to support the channel. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video for Robinhood stock.